Hi Fishbowl fans, this is Jean with Terabyte Solutions. Today we're going to be discussing the different payment types. So in Fishbowl, on a sales order, you can take a payment, you can charge a credit card, okay, right here. And then we have a whole bunch of different payment methods for us to record. So each of these payment methods can be mapped to their own account where they're best used. So the payment methods are set up here under Setup, Settings, okay? And so if I was taking cash for a payment, where would I want to record that in QuickBooks? And right now this is set to go to undeposited funds because I am probably going to put this on my desk with any checks I've received and take it to the bank and make a deposit all at once. Okay. If I were to receive a check, I would probably want it to go to undeposited funds as well. Okay. However, when I get to these credit cards, depending on what kind of operation you're running, if you're running a high volume e-commerce operation, putting all your credit card charges through undeposited funds gets to be really difficult when it's time to do the deposit. So what I suggest is that we create a credit card clearing account in QuickBooks that is it's a bank account. And so you can make your deposits and what have you from there. So I'm going to go to each of those types of credit cards and put it to credit card clearing. Okay, so that takes care of that. When we receive an e-check from a customer, that's going to be a direct payment into our bank account. So that one should be matched to the actual bank account, which would be, I think I got cute and named it money. All right, not to show preference for any bank. All right, and then I'm going to go down here to PayPal, because PayPal, although it's a way to process payments, it is in itself its own bank account. So we will map the PayPal payments to the PayPal bank account. Now, that leaves us with this gift card. So we sell and we accept gift cards. So when we sell the gift card, it is a debit to cash and a credit to a liability account. And then when that gift card is redeemed on our site, it should be a debit to the liability account and a credit to sales. Well, QuickBooks has got a little quirk. If you're trying to send a payment type into QuickBooks, it insists that all payments hit the assets of the balance sheet. So with gift cards, what we have to do is we have to create a gift card clearing account that is an asset account that we can then reclass later. Okay, that's how you map our payments. Then let's talk about when we should use our payments. So Fishbowl's got all these helpful warnings about the orders not paid and what have you, and that's great unless we're selling on open account. If we are giving our customers terms, net 10, net 15, net 30, then it is much easier to take the payments over in QuickBooks. All right. If we're doing, a massive e-commerce business, we want to bring those payments down from our cart. So it all depends on the type of business you're running. If everything has got to be paid before it ships, we can do that here. You've got lots of warning signs for that. Thank you very much for viewing this video. And we at Terabyte Solutions are a full service Fishbowl support firm. So we would like to help you with your Fishbowl issues. Give us a ring at 949-645-1019 and we will be happy to help. Thank you very much. Bye.